Duct systems. Let's first have a quick look at the duct system itself and a few ways that we can interrogate the properties of the system and its settings. Hover the cursor over a section of the duct and press the Tab key 4 times. This will cycle through selecting an individual selection of ductwork, a branch of ductwork up to the equipment, through to the physical duct network, and finally the duct system itself. You should see a dashed blue box surrounding the system indicating that it is to be selected. Click to select and go to the Properties dialog box. Notice that the Properties box is telling us that we have a duct supply air system selected. In the properties here, we can check such things as the system name, mechanical supply air 1. We can also see a reference to the equipment defined in this system indicating that the type of VAV used is a size 6 350mm inlet, along with a few total summary values for the system such as number of elements, static pressure, and flow. Now click on Edit Type to open the Type Properties dialog box. Here we can see the parameters that are controlling such things as the graphical display of the system and what is being calculated. Click on the Edit button next to Graphic Overrides. This is where the color override setting is coming from and why in the project the supply system is blue. You can see here that in the Line Graphics dialog box there is an override of blue set to the color. Click OK. Click on the Calculation setting to access a pull-down menu with a few options. All, Flow Only, and None. Select Flow Only and click OK. Notice that the value for static pressure now says Not Computed. It is important that the calculation is set to All to ensure that the static pressure is in fact calculated, thus allowing the pressure drop tools that we will be looking at later in this exercise to perform correctly. These are some of the settings that are important to understand when you are working towards producing pressure drop calculations. Next, we'll have a look at the duct sizing tool.